Okay, 64 Barracuda. First time attempting to start in 8 years. I threw in a battery out of the old El Camino. I could have put gas in the carb, but I'm trying it without the gas in the carb. Okay, let's check the air filter. Well, it looks pretty good in there. Let's try it again. Wait. Let me see if it smells like gas. Smells alright. Oh yeah, this thing doesn't just come right off like a Chevy. Okay. Oh, wow. I see gas. Okay, I just hit the choke flap shut. I saw gas in there. Oh, how about that? Okay, well, I didn't touch the gas pedal this time. Sounds like a good exhaust leak. Choke flap is still shut. So feels like it's on a spring. We'll try a little gas pedal this time. Ooh, check it out. She's on the way. Mind you, it needs a freeze plug. So, let's see if it'll move. Ooh, it's moving. Oh, crap. Oh, that front brake is seized up. I just banged something something. Okay, we're gonna get it into the shop. Front right brake is totally seized. Okay, we're almost there. Car is totally wants to move. Okay, now we're gonna open the shop. All right, wow. Burn off a little bit of oil. Okay, you hear that? Okay, that's the engine water that's left in there. We're gonna let it cool off. And she'll be fine. Okay, got her in the shop, and so 8 years ago, I stuffed this little V8 in it. It's the same as the original engine, except it was 2 years newer. This is like a 66, whatever it is, 278 or 273, whatever. The small V8. I still have the original engine, it runs good. It's just really crusty freeze plugs, everything was leaking on it. Threw this engine in, I had so many cars, juggling so much stuff. It's like 8 to 10 years ago. Like a dummy. I didn't put antifreeze in it for winter, and the block is cracked. And it probably blew the freeze plug also. I'm pretty sure the block's cracked. I checked the oil. It doesn't look good. So we're about to pull the plug. It's been forever since I got under this car. But I'm gonna get under here and we're about to drop the oil plug. And if need be, we're gonna pull this engine. I'll get the original engine rebuilt because that's just not fun for me. Get it rebuilt and put the original engine back in it. Oh, that's a big old nut under there, under the oil pan. Huge. Okay, if I was a Mopar guy, I'd already know, but it looks like about 7/8. I'm just gonna call it 7/8 and we're gonna hope for the best here. Seven eighths it is. Okay, so I'm going to use the impact just for quickness. You would normally never use an impact during an oil change. Chocolate milk. Alright, well, I'm pretty certain this engine's coming right out because when you see an oil that's that color, that's bad news. Wah, wah, wah. Well, it's my own fault. And just get me motivated to work on this car. So all you guys out there who, at least one guy, thought about buying it, it's a good thing you didn't. And this is probably why I didn't want to sell the car after it sat so long, because I want someone who buys it to, or who might have bought it, to be happy. This is not happiness. Okay, we'll check in later.